Today I would like to share few FAQs which is asked by the student while filling the application form of SSC CGL. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel TheHinduZone. Today I would like to share few FAQs which is asked by the student while filling the application form of SSC CGL. So few FAQs are: point number 1 is, what is the minimum qualification required for SSC CGL? So minimum qualification should be, student should be graduate, and yes, in some cases we also need the SSC CGL also considered post graduation also. So you can check accordingly. So point number 2 is, what is the age limit? The age limit should be 18 plus. For any post, 18 plus is mandate. The student should be 18 plus and above. Point number 3 is, can we apply for more than one post? Yes, of course, we can apply for more than one post. It's as per your interest. Point number 4 is, it is mandatory to choose all the group of posts. No, it's not mandatory to choose all the group of posts. You can choose accordingly as per your need and choice and your interest. So yes, this was a few FAQs which was asked by the student while filling the application form of SSC CGL. That's all from my end. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.